Hey Porsche fans, it's Rich DelMazzio at Porsche Greenwich, and I have just cleared out our entire delivery bay just for this one right here. That's how special this one is. This is an absolute dynamite 911 GT3 Touring. Let's get into it. First and foremost, if you like this video at any time, please consider giving it a thumbs up and going down below and subscribing. If you want this particular car, you can reach out directly to me and make it easy. 203-564-9538. My phone number and email is down below, so you don't have to go through the emails and the switchboard, try to get a hold of me. Direct access to me all the time, all right? So let's get into it. This is an available Touring that showed up a bit earlier than expected, so here it is. This color is called Oak Green Neo. And we have the California Gold wheels and Motorsport stripe. So Touring models are basically the wingless version of the GT3, giving that typical silhouette that we all love of the 911, but with a bit more of the flair of the GT3 at the same time. This car has the painted front plates. These pieces here are body color, giving the car more of an elegant and more sophisticated look. I love that. Every single GT3 has a carbon fiber hood now, and in this one it is body color painted. We have that Motorsport stripe, which looks great. This vehicle does have front axle lift, so if you want to protect that beautiful front end right here, the front end does lift up from there, giving you much greater ground clearance. And this one has the lightweight package, so not only do you have the standard carbon fiber pieces, but you also have carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber exposed roof, all right, and the magnesium wheels. These are forged magnesium wheels that look absolutely incredible. Let's get a closer look at them. This is something that's really hard to see from photos, but you have a lot of intricate bends and sculpting of this wheel, giving it a lightweight property, but also it looks lightweight. Like you can tell that weight was the goal here with this design, and it looks like a true motorsport wheel. Lovely. We have some P0s on there, and going to the back, you have 21-inch wheels, whereas in the front you have 20s. All right, so all of these 911s not only are staggered in width, but they also have different diameter in wheels, so all 992s are that way. And this is the lightweight stainless steel exhaust system that comes standard on all GT3 models. And then you have the lower diffuser that looks lovely. Most of the lower elements are all body color. On typical 911s, you'd have like body color upper areas and then textured lower areas. Here, the entire upper section of the bumper is body color, and only the lower valance is the black textured bit. And then I love this. This is one of the nicest things of the new GT3 Tourings and GT3s is that pop out here, and this is an actual air vent on the dot ones. This was not an air vent, and there was kind of a joke about them. The engineers actually put a sign that said no vent on that one. Now this follows the design principle of the current GT3 Cup car. So that's that. And then all GT3 Tourings have this grille area that say GT3 Touring, obviously. What do you think of the Motorsport decal? I love it. I think it's great. For those that don't like it, guess what? That's just a decal, so you can remove it if you want. I think it's lovely. Looks great with this color combination. Give you another look. Now, having the lightweight package gives you a revised sway bar in the back. Basically, you have more carbon fiber bits and the revised, it's like a carbon fiber infused plastic to save weight on the end links, which is nice. So Porsche goes to great lengths for performance optimization. They also changed the way that the front suspension wishbone is designed. The first 992 GT3s have a nice wishbone suspension design element, which gives it great articulation. But on this new one, they changed the way the wishbone looks and is designed into a teardrop design, which gives better, basically aerodynamics under the car, which is incredible, and also a little weight savings too. There's that. So this is the inside of the GT3 Touring. You have this leather upper, middle, and lower section here. And the matte carbon fiber inlay, lovely. Matte carbon fiber door handle. And we also have the matte carbon fiber inner door sill that is illuminated. And I think the 3 stars of the inside of the GT3 Touring, this one in particular, are the lightweight buckets. Okay, so now you have a folding bucket. Aha! So detailers and families rejoice because now you can actually get to the back area, and detailers can finally clean that back window much easier. But if you have kids you want to throw in the back, you can option for the rear seats, and we have done just that. So there you go, carbon fiber buckets that fold, back seats, and I love this Porsche crest, how it kind of like rotates as you fold it. I'll try and hold this steady while I do this. Hard to do that at the same time. These little design elements are nice. And then the revised 6-speed manual with shorter gear ratios, about 35 pounds, almost 36 pounds lighter than the PDK. So that's nice that, you know what, yes, you're going to sacrifice shorter or slower shifts because we're doing it ourselves, but we're enjoying the nostalgic purposes, but also we are saving some weight, so there's a benefit there at least. This one has the stainless steel pedals, absolutely lovely. All GT3s have all GT3 Tourings have a standard leather steering wheel instead of the Race Techs. And also the center armrest is done in leather as standard. And then in continuation with this design element that's on the door cards, that goes across onto the dashboard. That looks lovely. We have the new digital instrument cluster. But GT3s, they kept the turn switch instead of the button. So those that didn't like the push button on the standard 992.2s, you have the switch. I've been with Porsche for a long time. I don't know whether I'm pressing a button or twisting something, it's the same thing. As long as it stays here. I just want this here. Don't move it anywhere else. Let's keep it on the left. I mean, pushing, turning, whatever. It's the same thing, my opinion. But I know everyone's going to hate on me in the comments, but that's great. That's what YouTube's about, right? Social media. Carbon fiber inlay there. You actually have heated seats for these buckets, which is lovely. And on the Touring versions, instead of the Race Techs, you have the cloth center, which is a really nice fabric. It's really high quality feeling. And then leather all around. We have the leather belts. And then, I'm not going to fight this, but if you do want to take your GT3 or GT3 Touring to the track, you can remove this pad here so that your helmet sits a little more flush with the actual carbon backing of the seat. So that's nice. This way your head isn't like sticking forward. We have the chrono lap timer. Everything's leather on top. We even have the leather surround around the chrono package there. Bose sound package. Oh, let's show you the window sticker. How about that? I think it's time to do that. This car is magnificent. Fire extinguisher right there. Okay, let's take a look at the options. So feel free to pause it so you can see column 1. Okay, column 2 of options, and then the MSRP of the car. The MSRP is not the selling price. They are not one and the same, I'm sorry, but reach out to me if you want to know more details. Oh, I love this little detail as well. I like this. Porsche. Just in case your passenger forgot that you were in a Porsche, you know it there. And that's that. So what do y'all think of this GT3 Touring? Yes? No? I think yes. I think this thing's gorgeous. I love the way the front end looks on this car. It is so mean, aggressive, yet classy. So I think, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to do it for the video. So if you haven't already, please, thank you so much if you have subscribed, and if you haven't already, make sure to go down below and do that. Make sure to like and leave a comment. It really helps out the small channel. Thank you to everyone that has supported me thus far. We're about to hit 3,000 subs, so that's great. You know, as long as I'm here producing good content that you guys are enjoying, I'll keep doing this, and it seems like you guys are liking it. So anything that you want me to highlight next, I certainly will. Leave comments below on the next video you think I should do, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Take care, and use the phone number. My phone number's right there. Right there. Reach out to me. Thank you so much. Bye.